Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords and today we're treating ourselves to a DIY self-care spa day. Whether you've had a long day or simply need a moment to unwind, these quick and easy self-care tips will help you create a spa experience in the comfort of your own home. So let's dive into the world of relaxation and rejuvenation. Step 1. Set the ambience. To kick off our DIY spa day, let's set the ambience. Dim the lights, light some scented candles or use essential oil diffusers, and play soothing music. Creating a tranquil atmosphere is the first step to transforming your space into a personal sanctuary. Step 2. Prep a relaxing bath. Fill your tub with warm water and add the bath bomb, bath salts, or your favorite bubble bath. To enhance the experience, toss in a few flower petals or slices of citrus fruits. It's a simple way to create a luxurious and relaxing bath experience. Step 3. DIY face mask. Treat your skin to a DIY face mask. Mix ingredients like yogurt, honey, and aloe vera for a soothing and hydrating mask. Apply it to your face, kick back, and let the mask do its magic while you enjoy your bath. Your skin will thank you. Step 4. Aromatherapy steam shower. If you prefer a shower, turn it into an aromatherapy experience. Place a few drops of your favorite essential oils on a washcloth and hang it near the shower head. The steam will carry the calming scents, creating a spa-like atmosphere in your shower. Step 5. Hand and foot pampering. Don't forget your hands and feet. Treat yourself to a quick hand and foot pampering session. Soak your hands and feet in warm water, exfoliate with a scrub, and moisturize with your favorite lotion. A little love for your extremities goes a long way. Step 6. Meditation and mindfulness. After your pampering session, take a few minutes for meditation or mindfulness. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This practice helps you stay present and carry the relaxed spa vibes into the rest of your day. Step 7. Hydrate and reflect. Conclude your DIY spa day by hydrating with a refreshing drink. Whether it's herbal tea, infused water, or a smoothie, choose something nourishing for your body. Take a moment to reflect on the positive energy you've cultivated during your spa day. And there you have it, a quick guide to a DIY self-care spa day. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more self-care content, and let me know in the comments which spa day ritual you're excited to try. Remember, taking time for yourself is a beautiful act of self-love. Until next time, may your days be filled with relaxation and rejuvenation.